Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. So dear students, today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 6. Okay, you can see on your mobile screen, this is the exercise number A. And the exercise number A is tick the correct answer. In this, there are 5 questions and each question having 3 options. One option is the right answer. Okay, let us start from question number first. Question number first is, Internet is popularly known as the. Dear students, the options are, option number A is net, option number B is network, and option number C is inter. So dear students, option number A is the right answer, net. Internet is popularly known as the net. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, which of the following is not a web browser? In this, you will get 3 options. Option number A is MS Word, option number B is Google Chrome, and option number C is Internet Explorer. So dear students, look at the questions very carefully. Question is asking about which one is not a web browser. So dear students, Google Chrome is a web browser, as you all know. Internet Explorer is also a web browser, but MS Word is not a web browser. It is a word processing software and application. So dear students, option number A is the right answer. You will tick on option number A. Okay. Now come to the question number 3rd. Okay. Question number 3rd is, what is the address of a website known as? In this question you will get 3 options. Option number A is ISP, option number B is URL, and option number C is HTML. So dear students, look at the question carefully. Question is, what is the address of a website known as? किसी भी वेबसाइट का जो एड्रेस होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? ठीक है. So dear students, option number B, URL is the right answer. Okay, and URL is stand for Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, and ISP is stand for Internet Service Provider, and HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. So in this question, option number B is the right answer. You have to tick on option number B. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, which of these can be done by using the internet? Listen the question carefully. Which of these can be done by using the internet? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि इन जो 3 ऑप्शन नीचे दिए गए हैं, कम्युनिकेशन, कुकिंग फूड, ग्रोइंग अ प्लांट, इन तीनों में से आप क्या कर सकते हैं बाय द यूजिंग ऑफ इंटरनेट? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप इंटरनेट का यूज करके कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. कुकिंग फूड and growing a plant you can't do by the using of internet. you can communicate by using the internet. So option number A is the right answer. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, in which part of the website is the URL entered? Okay, look at the question. In which part of the website is the URL entered? So dear students, option number B is the right answer, एड्रेस बार. आप कोई भी URL जो है एड्रेस बार में टाइप करते हैं, ठीक है. And what is URL? URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. Exercise number B is fill in the blanks. In this there are 5 questions. Question number first is Flipkart. You have to fill here. Flipkart is a virtual store. Flipkart, Amazon, Paytm, these all are the virtual stores. So dear students, you have to fill here Flipkart. Okay. Now come to the question number second. Question number second is, an dash provides internet connection. So dear students, here you have to fill ISP. ISP provides internet connection. ISP stand for Internet Service Provider. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is, a website is a collection of dash. A website is collection of web pages. Okay, a group of web pages is known as website, or you can say a website is a collection of web page. Okay, and dear students, a web page is an electronic page that contains information. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, dash is an example of an internet service provider. So dear students, here you have to fill BSNL. BSNL is an example of an internet service provider. Okay, except this there are many examples of an internet service provider, including BSNL, like Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, MTNL, Reliance Jio, etc. These all are the internet service provider. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is, an internal dash is fixed inside a computer. Dear students, here you have to fill modem. Okay, this spelling is wrong. Here you have to fill modem. MODEM. Okay, an internal modem is fixed inside a computer. Now come to the exercise number C, that is write T for true and F for false. In this question there are 5 questions. Question number first is, a URL begin with HTTPS. Yes, dear students, this statement is true. Question number second is, Question number second is Google Chrome is an internet service provider. Dear student, this statement is false. Question number third is MTNL is a web browser. Dear students, this statement is also false because MTNL is a internet service provider. Now question number 4, a web page is a digital page. Dear students, this statement is true. A web page is known as the digital page. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is a hyperlink is the text or any object highlighted in blue on a web page. This statement is true. Hyperlink is known as the a hyperlink is the text or any object highlighted in blue on a web page. This statement is true. Okay students, now exercise number A, B and C has one completed, and next exercise, that is exercise number D, answer the following question. I will explain in my next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you for watching my videos. Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear student, today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 6, and this is the part 2, and this is the exercise number D, that is answer the following question. In this there are 4 questions. Question number first is define the terms internet, write any 2 uses of internet. So dear students, as you all know, internet is the largest computer network that connects millions of computers across the globe. And the usage of internet, we can communicate to other people and we can access information. So these are the 2 uses of internet. Now come to the question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 is what is the difference between a website and a web page? So dear students, a website is a collection of related web pages and a web page is a digital or electronic page. So dear students, these are the difference between the website and web page. A collection of related web pages is called website and a web page is a digital or electronic page. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is explain the term modem. Modem is the device that acts as a link between a computer and internet. Dear students, modem is a device that acts as a link between a computer and internet. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is what do you understand by a web browser? Give any 2 examples. So look at the question number 4. Dear students, a web browser is a software that is used to access information or services available on the internet. And the example of web browser are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini. These all are the examples of web browser. Okay. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is describe the term ISP. Write any 3 example. Dear students, the answer of this question is ISP stand for Internet Service Provider. You have to remember it. ISP stand for Internet Service Provider. To access the internet, you must have an internet connection. The examples of Internet Service Provider are BSNL, Idea, Airtel. These all are the examples of Internet Service Provider. Okay students, now you have to complete it in your CW copy and HW copy. The exercise of chapter 6 has gone completed. After this, I will explain chapter 7 in my next video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, and thank you for watching my videos.